Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, an affirming space for you to heal out loud. Welcome to another flow. Thank you so much for tuning in and most importantly, showing up for yourself. And also, special thanks to those that's been sending feedback and leaving comments. It is highly appreciated. So this flow, we're actually going to be doing a little stretch. It's going to be quick. This stretch is really good for before a workout, after a workout, or if you're about to have a long day at work, etc., etc. We're going to be stretching out the back of the legs and the tendon. We're going to be stretching out the spine, the lower hips, and all of that. So let's do this. Let's get into the flow. We're going to come into a seat, stretching the legs out in front of you. Readjusting, sending the hips back, flexing the toes backward towards the knees, extending the top of the head upward towards the sky, creating an L shape with the body. Just taking a couple breaths here. Becoming familiar with this space. Becoming familiar with your space. Okay, now we're gonna bring the left leg over the right and we're gonna stack the knees on top of each other and readjust however you need to, keeping the toes flexed towards the knee. Extend. You're gonna bring the hands over the shoulders, loosening the jaw, lowering the shoulders a bit. And as you exhale, bringing the left hand behind you and the right hand will come to the inside of the left knee as you press and twist. Making sure to keep the right foot active. Looking over the left shoulder. On your next inhale, slowly coming back to center and doing a counter stretch to the other side. And then coming back to center. So staying here, we're gonna keep the right leg straight and you're gonna slowly fold forward, not getting deep into this asana, but just allowing yourself to feel the stretch in the back of the leg. Keeping the shoulders drawn back. You can even reach towards the toes to help you lunge forward even more. Maybe lowering the crown. Taking a few cleansing breaths here. On your next inhale, tucking the chin into the chest, rolling the body back up. Bringing the left leg out in front of you. Maybe windshield wiping the knees, stretching out the lower back. Maybe rotating the neck. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So bringing the legs out in front of you, creating the L shape with the body. Toes are flexed. Now from here, we're going to bring the right leg over the left, stacking the right knee on top of the left. Extending the crown upward. Inhale, bringing the arms over the shoulders. Taking a breath here. On your exhale, bringing the right hand behind you. The left hand comes to the outside of the right knee as you press and twist. Looking over the right shoulder, keeping the hips stacked on top of the hips. The shoulders stacked on top of the hips. Now slowly, as you inhale, coming back to the center and doing a counter stretch to the other side. Oh. Inhale, coming back to center. From here, repositioning, moving however you need to. And we're going to slowly begin to fold over the right knee. You don't have to get deep into this asana. Just allow yourself to feel where you're at. Being present with the body, present with the breath. Allowing yourself to cleanse any trauma, any tension, any instability that you're holding on to in this root space. Inhale deeply. Exhale, fold one last time. We're going to tuck the chin into the chest and slowly roll the body back up. Bringing the right leg out in front, windshield wiping the knees. Showing some love to your lower spine, showing some love to the hips. Maybe showing some love to the neck by rotating in circles. Now from here, let's get into a fish. So bringing the legs out in front of us once more. We're going to lengthen upwards, still keeping that L shape. Placing the hands on the side of the hips. Spreading the fingers, gripping into the mat. You're going to press, lifting the hips. Beginning to really lift the hips up in the air, pointing the toes forward, and then drawing the crown and the chin back. Pressing into the toes, pressing the hips upward even more. Exhale, begin to lower. Readjusting a bit. Inhale deeply, bringing the hands over the head. Exhale, folding forward over the knees. Maybe bringing the hands to the outsides of the feet. Taking a slight bend in the knees if you need to. Bending the elbows and extending the top of the head towards the toes. With each exhale, straightening out the legs some more. A couple more breaths here. You got this. Keep the toes flexed and activated. Tucking the chin into the chest and slowly rolling the body back up into a neutral spine. Coming back into a seat. Now you can pause this video if you would like and move to another flow, or we can close this out by bringing the hands to the heart center or bringing them onto the knees, or you can place one hand on the heart and one on the solar space. taking a few breaths here, closing the eyes, focusing the gaze in between the eyebrows. Finding evenness and steadiness within the breath. Finding liveliness within the breath. Thank you all so much for tuning in, for allowing me to guide you, to shine my light, and for just participating in this sacred practice, showing up for yourself, no matter the chaos, no matter what's going on within, you are here. Until next time, namaste.